Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics. To truly master physics, begin by focusing on understanding the core concepts rather than just memorizing equations. Think of it like building a house. You need a strong foundation first. Break down each chapter or topic into smaller, digestible parts. This approach prevents overwhelm and allows for deeper comprehension. Make sure to actively engage with your textbook and lecture notes, perhaps by summarizing key ideas in your own words. This initial step is crucial for long-term retention. Once you grasp the basics, it's time to tackle problems. Start with simpler examples to build confidence, then gradually move to more challenging ones. The key is not just getting the right answer, but understanding the why behind it. For every problem, identify the core physics principles at play. Drawing diagrams is incredibly helpful. A visual representation can clarify complex situations and reveal hidden relationships. This active problem-solving approach solidifies your conceptual understanding. Consistent practice is non-negotiable in physics. Dedicate specific time slots each week to work through a variety of problems. Consider setting a timer and simulating exam conditions with past papers. This builds speed and accuracy. Don't be afraid to collaborate with classmates. Discussing challenging concepts and different approaches to problems can offer new perspectives and deepen your understanding. Teaching a concept to someone else is also a powerful way to solidify your own knowledge. Finally, consistent review is essential for long-term retention. Don't wait until the last minute. Spaced repetition helps keep information fresh. If you encounter a concept that consistently confuses you, don't hesitate to ask your instructor or a tutor for help. They can provide alternative explanations or examples. Also, try to connect different physics topics. Understanding how concepts interrelate across chapters helps you build a comprehensive mental framework, leading to a much deeper and more robust understanding of the subject.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.